Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 10 o'clock in Honolulu, 4 o'clock in New York on Friday. Happy Aloha Friday, as we say on the islands. It is the 11th day of July, 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver, our weekend review. The financial markets experienced significant volatility today following an announcement by President Trump of new tariff measures, with traditional safe haven assets such as gold and silver benefiting from heightened investor risk aversion. Gold gained 1.16%, climbing $38.60, taking the most active August contract to $3,371.70. Silver gained 3.85%. A total of $1.45 was added to a troy ounce, taking the most active futures contract to $39.07. If you recall from yesterday's video report, we took a long-term view of gold, starting from the last motive phase, which began in November of 2022 and concluded in April when gold hit its all-time record high above $3,500 per ounce, completing the primary fifth wave. We then focused upon the type of compression triangle gold has been in that we are labeling as our current correction, with our current model under the assumption that gold completed its first corrective A wave, the counter B wave, and completed the final C wave, which meant that we were currently in our D wave. On yesterday's show, we postulated that gold would probably trade as high as about $3,400 per ounce. If gold prices unfold as this current model assumes has a decent probability, the current D wave could take gold as high as $3,400 before we get a final E wave. And traders, we came within $30 of hitting that goal today. As I said, gold is currently trading right around $33.70, which is why I would expect gold to continue on its bullish path to higher pricing next week, and again trading as high as between $3,400 and possibly $3,420. Traders, lastly, I do want to take a look at silver that has moved up phenomenally from $36.60 yesterday to above $39 today. In fact, the last time silver was trading at $39 was quite a few years ago, about 12 years ago, back in February 2013. Currently, our technical studies indicate that we think silver will hit $43 to $44 by the completion of this current motive phase, which is why Joseph Wagner, our resident silver specialist, who is out of town this week and returning over the weekend, will present an in-depth special report on silver next week. Stay tuned for that. This has been Gary Wagner
and Joseph Wagner,
wishing you, as always, good trading.
We'll talk to you on Monday for our next video report.
Bye-bye.